Hey friends, welcome to our channel Quick Notes. Today we will be playing a quiz on Class 12th NCERT Political Science Chapter 1 Challenges of Nation Building with answers explained. So let's start the video. The first question for today is the famous speech of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru on the eve of our independence is known as, and your options are A. Tryst with Destiny, B. Tryst in Destiny, C. Tryst on Destiny, or D. None of the above. And the answer is A. Tryst with Destiny. At the hour of midnight on 14th-15th August 1947, India attained independence. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of Free India, addressed a special session of the Constituent Assembly that night. This was the famous Tryst with Destiny speech that you are familiar with. Question number 2. What were the two goals set by Indian leaders almost agreed by everyone? Options are A. Health and welfare, B. Democracy and economy, C. Democracy and well-being of the entire society, or D. None of the above. And the answer is C. Democracy and well-being of the entire society. After independence, there were two goals almost everyone agreed upon. One, that after independence, we shall run our country through democratic government. And two, that the government will be run for the well-being of the entire society, particularly the poor and the socially disadvantaged groups. Question number 3. Broadly, how many kinds of challenges does independent India faced? Options are A. 2 challenges, B. 3 challenges, C. 4 challenges, or D. 5 challenges. The answer is B. 3 challenges. Broadly, independent India faced 3 kinds of challenges. The first and the immediate challenge was to shape a nation that was united yet accommodative of diversity in the society. The second challenge was to establish democracy. The third challenge was to ensure the development and well-being of the entire society and not only of some sections. Question number 4. At the time of partition, the new country Pakistan comprised of option A. 2 territories, B. 1 territory, C. 3 territories, or D. None of the above. The answer is A. 2 territories. At the process of partition, there were no single belt of Muslim majority areas in British India. There were 2 areas of concentration, one in the west and one in the east. There was no way these 2 parts could be joined. So it was decided that the new country Pakistan will comprise 2 territories, West and East Pakistan, separated by a long expanse of Indian territory. Question 5. Which of the following was the consequence of partition? Option A. People were forced to abandon their houses. B. People faced immense sufferings. C. Minorities moved to refugee camps. Or D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. The year 1947 was the year of one of the largest, most abrupt, unplanned and tragic transfer of population that human history has known. Forced to abandon their homes and move across borders, people went through immense sufferings. Minorities on both sides of the border fled their homes and secured temporary shelters in refugee camps, followed by much more. Question 6. The British India was divided into two parts known as A. Indian provinces and princely states, B. Indian Prince and British states, C. British Indian provinces and princely states, or D. None of the above. The answer is C. British Indian provinces and princely states. British India was divided into what were called the British Indian provinces and the princely states. The British Indian provinces were directly under the control of the British government. On the other hand, several large and small states ruled by princes called the princely states. Question 7. At the time of independence, how many princely states existed in India? Your options are A. 560 princely states, B. 565 princely states, C. 566 princely states, or D. 570 princely states. It is B. 565 princely states. At the time of independence, India contained 565 princely states. Question 8. Which of the following ruler of princely states created problems in integration of princely states? A. Ruler of Travancore, B. Nizam of Hyderabad, C. Nawab of Bhopal, D. All of the above. It is D. All of the above. At the time of independence, the integration of princely states in India was a difficult task. The rulers like the ruler of Travancore, Nizam of Hyderabad and Nawab of Bhopal, etc. created problems in unification of our country. Question 9. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was appointed for which post in the interim government at the time of independence? Options are A. Deputy Prime Minister, B. Defense Minister, C. Prime Minister, or D. Agriculture Minister. It is A. Deputy Prime Minister. At the time of independence, the integration of princely states in India was a difficult task. The ruler of Travancore, Nizam of Hyderabad, and Nawab of Bhopal, etc., created problems in unification of our country. Sardar Patel played a crucial role in negotiating with them. Question number 10. The document which was signed by princely states to give their agreement to become part of Union of India was called A. Development of Accession, Instrument of Accession, Agreement of Joining, or D. None of the above. It is B. Instrument of Accession. The rulers of most of the princely states signed a document called the Instrument of Accession, which meant that their state agreed to become a part of the Union of India. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Quick notes.